It's the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion. This is for Tuesday, the 10th of November. I'm Michael Groff. A chilly start to the day, but we'll see a warming trend take over as we head through the rest of the week and into the weekend. Temperatures by next week should be near or slightly above average levels. What about some rain chances? Well, they're not looking too likely for the next 7 days at least, but we'll take a peek at that and everything else going on too as we dive in and talk about it. First, yesterday, 62 degrees was the afternoon high, a beautiful day. That low temperature of 50, that occurred at 11:59 p.m. The normal high, 79, the normal low, 55. Outside now, here at 6:10 a.m., we've got a few clouds out there this morning. We're sitting at 48 degrees at Sky Harbor, dew points at 30, relative humidity 49%. The winds are light and the barometer is steady. Temperatures out there this morning, 34, the cool spot at Fort McDowell and Goldfield, 38 in Buckeye, 39 at South Mountain, as well as Santan. Most locations across the metro are in the 40s. The upper air look across the country, that trough that came through here the last couple of days is now moving off into the plain states, and we are left with a dry west and northwesterly flow. Plenty of cool air still around today. And the watch warning map, we've got winter storm warnings out across the plains, some ice storm warnings as well over parts of Nebraska, Iowa, and Minnesota. Wind advisories out ahead of that cold front. And we still have some tropical issues across Florida, although the active tropical storm warnings have been canceled for the moment. And we just have some flash flood watches over parts of South Florida. The convective outlook for today, a slight risk of severe storms around Aurora, Illinois, up toward Madison and Milwaukee, Wisconsin. The marginal risk from St. Louis up toward Muskegon, Michigan. And let's take a look at the tropics. We've got Eta and Theta. That's our brand new tropical storm out there. First, we'll talk about Eta. This is just meandering over the eastern Gulf of Mexico, now off of the western tip of Cuba. And the satellite does not look all that impressive. Most of the convection is concentrated on the east side of the circulation there. And this is not going to get all that well organized over the next few days as the waters over the Gulf are cooler now. And this is just going to undergo some shear and just not really be a very healthy system. That's good news because we are not expecting this to become a hurricane once more. And the official track for the National Hurricane Center brings it northward off the west coast of Florida, bringing it up to around Destin by late in the weekend as a tropical depression and just sort of fizzling out there. As we take a look at modeling, you're going to see a lot of forecasters having headaches this week when you have a plot that looks like this. This is the GFS ensemble. How about that for a plate of spaghetti? The tropical models, take your pick here. A couple of them bring this system back toward Mexico, others up toward the Gulf Coast of Alabama or the Florida Panhandle, others across the Florida Peninsula. And there's a few members that just fizzle it out entirely, and that's kind of the direction the European ensemble is going here, bringing it north. But some of the members just completely wash this system out over the eastern Gulf and just have it being a bag of rain for the Florida Panhandle. We'll see. And then out in the central Atlantic, we've got subtropical storm Theta. And, we could go off on a tangent about naming these kind of cold core or subtropical systems, but save that for another day. The forecast track on this takes it east-northeastward, ultimately toward the coast of Portugal. Several days from now, we'll just see if this holds together. And then getting closer to home, here's the precipitation outlook valid through next Tuesday morning from the WPC. No rain expected here in the valley. Some very light precip across northern Arizona over the high country with a system that comes in here later in the week. We'll talk about that and everything else too going on as we dive into modeling. Here we go, the GFS, the 06Z run valid at 2 o'clock this afternoon. There goes that trough that brought in the cooler weather over the last couple of days, now moving out into the plain states, a northwesterly flow behind it, heights a bit below average. So down at the surface, a few clouds around today, otherwise mostly sunny, high temperatures in the mid-60s. Tonight, the sky is clear and overnight lows drop into the upper 30s to mid-40s. Tomorrow, mostly sunny sky again, high temperatures near 70. On Thursday, we should get into the low to mid-70s with mostly sunny sky. Then on Friday, we've got this weak wave, a little disturbance that comes through the southwest, and there could be enough dynamics here for some isolated showers across northern Arizona. And a few of the ensemble members are even trying to introduce some very light rain, maybe a trace or just a few hundredths here over south central Arizona, including Phoenix. Don't think that's going to happen. This should just bring us some clouds, so we'll look at a partly sunny day for Friday here in Phoenix with high temperatures falling back a few degrees, upper 60s to low 70s. On Saturday, that moves out of here. Mostly sunny sky returns, kind of a zonal flow sets up, and high temperatures get back into the low and middle 70s. Upper 70s on Sunday, and then we should be pretty close to 80, maybe even the low 80s on Monday, with again sunny skies and a flat ridge building in. Here's a week from today. This is Tuesday, the 17th, and kind of a west-southwest flow, and heights a little bit above average, so high temperatures likely in the low or maybe even middle 80s. And here's a look out 10 days. This is Thursday the 19th, a zonal flow, and that looks dry and mild with a few high clouds. Rainfall off of the European ensemble over the next couple of weeks, and you can see there are a few members in here, several members actually, that try to introduce some very light rain on Friday night or Saturday morning, but we're just going to discount that for now. The ensemble mean is only a few hundredths of an inch anyway. And temperatures off the national blend of models, 66 today. It's got us at 71 tomorrow. Just absolutely beautiful weather. Highs getting a little bit above average, maybe even up into the mid-80s by next week. And overnight lows mostly in the 40s and 50s. And that's going to do it for the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. My next video back here tomorrow morning. If you enjoy these videos, be sure to subscribe, like, share, and click that notification bell so that whenever a brand new video is posted, you'll get the notice. Your comments, questions, and suggestions always encouraged as well. Thanks so much for watching. It is always appreciated. You guys be safe out there and have yourselves a terrific Tuesday.